Autumn is peak season for deer activity, and that means a higher risk of collisions on rural and suburban roads. Let's look at some key tips to help you stay safe when wildlife is on the move. Tip 1. Stay extra alert at dawn and dusk. Deer are most active during dawn and dusk. If you're driving at these times, reduce your speed and scan the roadside carefully. Tip 2. Watch for road signs. Deer crossing signs are placed where collisions are common. Take them seriously. Slow down and stay prepared to react. Tip 3. Don't swerve suddenly. If a deer runs into your path, brake firmly but avoid swerving. Swerving can cause a more serious crash with oncoming traffic or roadside obstacles. Tip 4. Use main beams wisely. At night, use your main beams when safe to do so. The reflection in a deer's eyes can give you early warning. Have you ever had a deer encounter on the road? Please share your experience in the comments. For more Drive Smart tips, check back for our new driving safety videos each week. Tip 5. Expect more than one. Deer often travel in groups. If you see one, chances are others are close by. Stay cautious until the road is clear. Autumn roads are beautiful, but they come with extra risks. Stay alert, drive carefully, and you'll reduce your chances of a dangerous wildlife collision.